for me? Do you want to say hello to your subscribers? Twitchy. Hey, you. I'm talking to you. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Huh? Are you the best friend of Cosy the cat? But me, why not so friendly today? She just swing her tail. Little bit. Smoky. Come. Come, come. Yes. Okay. I'll let you go. Hi guys, this is Sunnie. How are you? Today is the Monday, my day off. And I just come back from city and I have my Korean barbecue lunch with my best friend. She just come back to Sydney. Yeah, after Korean barbecues, my hair really sticky, squeezy, really oily, and my skin really oily as well. I'm gonna show you what product actually I'm using for my skin ritual routine. Start from I remove my makeup and the moisturizer, everything. So that's what I usually use to keep my skin glowing. So here's a Hanskin cleansing oil with PHA. I usually use this one to remove my makeup. Effective product to clean my pores and blackhead, but not damage my skin. And I use this one daily at night time. And the Rachel Posay eye makeup remover. So I use this one all the time if I wear an eye makeup. So it's target for sensitive skin as well. So really gentle, and I have been using this product for so far 2 years. So just leave it on before. So usually many girls they make the mistake that you keep wrapping, but actually it can damage your skin and create more eye wrinkle. Yeah. So I just gently roll it. Yeah. Okay. So all come off. Yeah, without letting the product penetrate and melt your eye makeup, especially the mascara, it can damage your eyelashes. The next step, I use the cleansing oil. Yeah. So I just pump 2 pumps, and then I start with on the chin. And don't forget your nose bridge. Yeah. I love cleansing oil because it's not only remove your makeup, but actually you can massage your face in the same time. Okay, just wet my fingertips in there to create the milky texture. I prefer cleansing oil rather than cleansing water because cleansing water, you can't really melt what's clogging in the pores. So after I rinse my face and I use the cleansing foam to double clean my face and make sure all the impurities is removed from my skin surface. I'm gonna show you how I ladder up this product. Okay, if you can go to Daiso to get foam maker. Basically, you just need to wet the foam maker. Put like a toothpaste size. You only need tiny little to do it. So when I'm working on my beauty counter, I usually tell customers how important you need to make the foam to do your cleansing routine because you need bubble the foam to lift up the impurity from your skin. You can see, here we go. And driving, I just need to rinse. this is one of my best products in my room. So basically it's a home portable laser device, and I have been using this one so far 6 months. Yeah, since I consider my age, I start getting fine lines, not big wrinkle, fine lines, and pigmentation in dark spot. So this machine is, and you can adjust in 3 levels. So far right now I'm using is the strongest one, the level 3. So I already turned it on, and you just need to do from in to out. Start from your face, the forehead and the chin, separate into 4 parts. So every time if we finish one part, we beat. Okay. So you just really be careful it doesn't go on your eye. So in Australia, like in Sydney, one time when you go to dermatologist for skin laser, it costs about $300. I purchased this device during Christmas time. No, before Christmas. Yeah, before Christmas. So it was on sale, $690 something US. Yeah. So you can see my skin only turned red a little bit. Yeah. So this product is only to use at nighttime. Shouldn't be used at daytime because your skin will be more sensitive with the sun exposure. So in the description under of my video, you can see where can you make the purchase if you are living outside overseas, because actually you can't find anywhere to buy in Australia anyway. Yeah, it was a big struggle when I tried to find this product and get it shipped to Sydney. The redness is not too bad. Yeah, I can see bump behind me. So after the skin laser treatment, I'm gonna use the softener to rehydration my skin and rebalancing. It can really soothing my skin and reduce the wetness. And the facial solution softener, I know it's a bit pricey in the market, but the main thing I love to use it because it's containing the ingredients to stop the Hanskin skin cells, which is something to cause your skin aging in your skin. It stops the Hanskin skin cell to be active in your skin, but softener, lotion, even essence. So those products actually for cleansing and also rebalancing your skin pH and also continuing hydration. So you must use the cotton pad to apply the softener because the product actually designed to do hydration and cleansing as well. So you need a little tools to help remove all the impurity. It helps you to clean and push the product in to be penetrate as well. And so I'll just start on the forehead, your nose. So then I turn the other side. So really quick. Because if you only use your palm, use your hand to press the product in, I would say usually the softener will be more sticky. And then it's the best seller from Shiseido, the Red Serum Concentrate Ultimune. So how good this product is to help your skin to be fight against internal and external damage. It's a pre-serum, right? So it also help your skin help to enhance all the product to go in, be penetrate how it perform, and it's actually boosting the skin ability. Then why not? So you just need to 3 pump, or say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I'm using the white Lucent spot correcting to fix my dark spot concern and also some scarring as well. So the main ingredient of the white Lucent is the 4MSK, which is to help your skin to prevent the melanins to build up under your skin. Many people may not know what melanin is. Melanin is the active dark spot skin cell hiding under your skin, in the inners of your skin. So when it's getting darker and darker, you can visible. You can see, oh, you have dark spot. So by the time when you already can see that you got dark spot pigmentation, is already too late. You need to put a lot of effort or spend a lot of money, go to laser or surgery to get it done. Receive my new product from Shiseido. This is the new launch night cream, but actually you can use this one as the overnight cream mask. So how good is this product is it contains the ingredient to active your skin connection, so your skin can release more signal to reconnect with all the skin product. It helps your skin to be reset, recovering and regenerating faster than usual. Also, this one actually really gentle. It doesn't contain the paraben, and if you have skin asthma, have redness like me, so I just gonna use this one as the cream mask today. So you need it much for over a whole face. So if you only to use as a night cream, you only need it much. Yeah. So we're gonna put it that in 5 dots so I can spill it around. Mommy, where you going? So I just need to rub it on my skin. The thin layer. It's a really nice texture. Smells beautiful, and it's not sticky. Okay, the last step, don't forget about the eye cream. Okay, because our eye, the skin area is really thin, you need to take extra care. I'm using the Vital Perfection Wrinkle Lift Cream. This product, we have the nickname is called the mini iron. So how strong it will be? Okay. Meow meow meow. Bum bum, what you want? The top of your eyelid is not. Just in and out, in and out. Especially here, you can do it that way. Yeah. Okay, since my little bunny, I think because she's really hungry, she want to go out. Okay. 오늘은 여기서 마무리할게요. I'm done for today. Okay, after I feed my little bunny meow meow, I'm gonna have a good sleep tonight. Bye bye.